Peace, beauties. Welcome and welcome back to Here and There with Kortney. And of course, it's your girl Kortney. So as you can see, I'm sitting here with a pair of gray denims. These denims I actually picked up during my thrift store haul, which is the last video that I shared here on the channel. So if you haven't seen that video, do go back and check it out because you'll see all of the wonderful things that I picked up and thrifted and found while thrifting pretty much. And so pretty much a big part of thrifting and the reason that I personally enjoy thrifting is what I get to do after I actually do the thrifting, meaning what sorts of looks I can create or styles I can even create. And for me, this right here is style that I'm creating. So I decided to take the gray denims because like I stated in the thrift store haul, I have quite a few pairs of gray denims. I actually have like 3 pairs of gray denims. I don't know why. So I decided with these, I was just going to go ahead and have a bunch of fun and funk them up a little bit, make them real cute. As you can see, I decided to go with the huge cutouts at the thigh. This is the area between my thighs and knees. I did put the pants on first just to kind of give myself a measurement of above my knee and just like under under my area. Didn't want to have all of my area hanging out. And I used some pink dustless chalk just to kind of give myself an idea of the parameters and the space that I'm working with. And then I went ahead and cut that out. I also wanted to create a real relaxed sort of ankle for these pants, and so of course I'm doing the same thing, just using the dustless chalk and the ruler to kind of get my measurements somewhat on point. I am not at all in any shape, form, or professional, just a New York girl giving her clothes some New York flair, and that's pretty much what you're seeing here. So I'm also going to be using what you'll see in just a moment is the eyebrow shaper. And so I'm going to use the eyebrow shaper to kind of create really jagged, distressed lines on the denim. As you know, I'm pretty sure the eyebrow shaper, it comes with these ridges. And so those ridges are kind of perfect for like this sort of DIY distressed look item. So that's what you're going to be seeing in just a moment. And yeah. All right, as you can see, I have started distressing the denims with the eyebrow shaper. And so I'm just going to do a little bit. I really don't know how this is going to come out and look. It's been quite a while since I actually decided to, cut up a pair of blue jeans and get real fun. A lot of the times, though, when the summer approaches, if I have a pair of jeans that are looking a little old and ragged, then I will go ahead and turn them into some cute little shorts. But in this case, it's been a while. And when I say a while, I mean a while since I've actually reconstructed a whole entire look. Now, this shirt was also a part of the thrift haul. It's a t-shirt. I think I paid like $1.99 for it. And it actually says curiosity on the front, and it has the definition of curiosity. I decided that I wanted to kind of play on that theme. I wanted to make the shirt very relaxed, so I went ahead and got rid of the very tight bottom as well as the sleeves and the neckline also, just to give it a flowy look, right? And so this t-shirt actually belongs to some sort of organization, and so there's a bunch of print as you can see on the back. And so I have some iron-on sort of patches, and I'm going to go ahead. See, I'm sitting here thinking, and voila, it hit me. Use the iron-on patches and go ahead and try to cover up that space. It was almost like a perfect fit, so that's exactly what you see me doing there. I bought this item at my local dollar store, and yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and iron that on. I also have some iron-on letters that I'm going to be using. As you can see, I already cut out some of the letters. You see the word cat there. So playing on the curiosity word theme of the shirt, I'm going to go ahead and put kill the cat on this patch. I started to think if I should have done killed with an ED at the end, killed the cat, like, curiosity killed the cat. But at the same time, I figured, you know what, let's not be past tense about things. Let's be living in the here and now. So go ahead and kill the cat, right? So that's what we went ahead and did in regards to those iron-on patches, or that iron-on patch and these iron-on letters. This was very simple to do, actually. I'm just using Excuse me, my voice is cracking a bit, but I'm just using the, see, it came out pretty okay. It's a little bit crooked, it's a little bit off, but I wasn't going for perfection. Again, with style, you really do not need to be perfect at all. You just need to be you. So yeah, I burnt myself a little bit. So this was pretty cool, actually pretty seamless and effortless. So what I'm gonna start doing at this point is I'm reaching, as you can see, I got my eyebrow shaper. I'm gonna go ahead and start making little holes, like little cat clawed holes in the shirt as well, just keeping up with that theme. So I'm gonna put some on this bottom left back corner, and then I'm also gonna add some on the front right corner, just to kind of give opposites, you know, but some sort of symmetry, I guess. And well, not really symmetry, but opposites, but kind of balance. So again, it's not perfect, but we were going for style, not perfection. And at this point, you're pretty much going to just see me poke a few holes. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. I hope that you do take the time to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. Share this video if you should so choose to. And yeah, this was pretty cool and pretty fun to do. I know that you may have saw a little water stains on the front. I had some deodorant lines on the shirt, so I had to wipe that off. At this point, it has dried. I don't know why my voice keeps cracking, but that might be a sign for me to just go ahead and end this video. So again, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Then turn on that button to get notified. Peace, beauties.